Hey guys, it's Ella here. Welcome to MTV Cribs College Edition. Come on in, let me show you what's good. Hi guys, it's Ella here. So today's video is kind of different and it's not a hair video, but I did put my little dreads in. Do you guys like, excuse me, do you guys like it? I have some blue in it here too. But anyway, you can see from my background, and the title of this video is moving day for me here on campus. So I'm going to St. Mary's University in Minnesota for my master's in teaching. So I'm going to be an English teacher. You can see from my previous videos that I taught a year in China, and that really pushed me and motivated me even more to want to go back to school and become a teacher. So right now I'm moved in. We had orientation this morning. First of all, I drove 5 hours. No, I didn't. I woke up from at 5 a.m. and got to be here by 8. It was a 2-hour drive and it was long and I'm tired and all of that. But let me give you guys a quick tour of the before. Well, medium, because it was clean, and then I brought all my stuff out of my car, and then I'll show you how I designed it. So you can tell right now there's a lot of blues going on, but enough of that. Let me just give you a quick tour of my college apartment. So from here, the sunlight, this is my outside. It's my baby over there. Hi. So you walk in.
clouds. All it emerges from beneath the sand. The instinctive miracle seems so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. Another reason she stays. Another reason she's so far away. Another reason she stays. Another reason she's so far away.
So once you come in, you gotta take off your shoes because dirt, you know. So we're in here. This lamp doesn't work. I put light bulb in it and everything, it's still not working. But here it is. Okay guys, this is my room. I just need oh yeah, the closet has nothing to close, no blanket, no nothing, and I cannot add something on it because this is on campus housing, so it's not my home, so I cannot add anything to it. This is also for my yoga, but I use it to help me sleep and roll on my back, so that's why it's on my bed. And here's my table. I know buy a full body mirror because I don't have one, and the one in the bathroom stops right here. So here's my table. I got my retainer in that I have to put in my mouth. So yeah, this is a room. For this one over here, if I get a roommate, then that will be her room. But I don't have a roommate, so I chose that other room instead of this one, because that one, if I look through the window, I can see my car, and it's like further away from the entrance. The bathroom is cute, whatever, right? It's simple and cute. Blue is one of my favorite colors, so I also like kind of pinkish. Well, I like coral, but that's what it had. So chia. I have nothing to put in here. It's not winter yet, so once that winter comes. So I need to buy a garbage can for the kitchen and some more food, and hand soap for the bathroom. I forgot, so I only have the kitchen dishes soap, so I need to buy hand soap for the bathroom. And I already said food, right? Like right now, I'm so tired, guys. It's been a long day of moving and driving all the way over here, moving and going to orientation that took like hours, going to financial aid, which I still need to go back to financial aid on Monday. Some classes are yeah, I signed up for my classes already. I want to see if I can get like a work study job, so we'll see, God willing, that will be possible. Yeah, hopefully I don't get a roommate, because I like the way I already set up my space. If she comes, then it means I have to compromise. I have my Bible here in the living room on the table right here, and if I'm sitting here, I want to read, I can see my car through this window as well. I think this apartment is really cute, and I'm excited to see how well this year goes. God willing, everything goes well. I graduate next year and I'm a teacher. That would be super dope. So thank you guys. I'm kind of like rambling right now, but I think I'm gonna go buy food instead of making food because I'm that tired. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.